Hello friends, welcome to the channel Autism with Koirav. Today's video is about a problem and a solution. Now, the major problem that parents face with the autistic kids is that they cannot understand how to teach an autistic child various things. They cannot understand or grab things like the other normal kids do. So, what is the method through which we can train them, we can teach them various objects, various items? How can they study? If we have to say the initiation of the studies, then we can easily do it through what? Through flashcards. Now, so what is flashcard? That we need to know first, right? So, flashcard is a versatile educational tool that is usually used to reinforce learning through a simple interactive format. Now, flashcards are cards with information on one side and additional information on the other side. So, it is used for various educational purposes, especially for memorization and practice and review. So, flashcard is a very important item, very important tool through which you can start teaching your kid how to identify objects, how to deal with the objects, how to deal with the situation, etc. Now, what are the problems that you may face while you are teaching with flashcards? The problem that you may face is that the child is going to throw off the card, the child may fold the card, he may not like the texture of the card, he may just scrap the card and throw it away, he may not look at the card at all, he may not want at all to do that activity. So there may be various issues that your child is doing when you are giving him flashcards, when you want to start training various objects with the use of flashcards. Even in my case, Koirav was not liking flashcards at all at the first. He did not used to sit at all. He did not used to look at the flashcards. But yes, with time and with proper therapies, we could make him sit. And today, he knows all the flashcard. He knows most of the animals. He knows most of the birds. He knows many flowers. He knows A to Z. He knows all the numbers. And he knows a variety of things, and most of the things are through flashcards. He also knows all the colors, all the shapes, he knows the emotions, he knows what to do in which event. All these things we have given training to him through the flashcards. So now, what are the types of flashcards that you may get? For the autistic kids, there are various flashcards, though, like the kids who are not autistic, they can also use it. For ADHD and autistic kids, it is very important to use a flashcard so that they can start learning. Now the types of flashcards are, first, if I have to say, the most basic is alphabet flashcard. Then we have number flashcards, we have colors and shape flashcard, we have birds, we have animals, flowers, fruits, we have daily object flashcards, we have event flashcards, action flashcards, emotion flashcards, etc. Now let us discuss about the usefulness of flashcards. The first most important usefulness of a flashcard is visual learning. Through visual evidence, you can teach your child exactly what you want to teach, whether it is object, whether it is a letter, whether it's an alphabet, whether it's a number, whether it's an event, whatever be the situation. Flashcard can be used to teach them, since they can see the item very clearly over there, they can see the spellings of the items, they can see all the details of the items over there. So visual learning is very important, and they can memorize it very easily if they see it visually. Now, next is structured learning. So structured learning, why? Because the flashcard has details written in it. So if you want to teach them A for apple, so that A for apple is written on the flashcard clearly with the picture exactly how the apple looks like. As well, when you turn the flashcard, you will see that details of how the apple tastes, what is the color of a apple, everything in detail is written on a flashcard. Then focus is also one of the major issues in a autistic child. So focus and engagement is very important if you can involve them in various tricky activities with the flashcards. How a child is going to take the information from you, that is the parent, that is very important for the child's learning. So that can be met with the flashcard. Some children may be having a very good pace of learning, but maybe the other child is not having that pace of learning. You can also go around with the flashcard the whole day so that you can teach the child what you want and so that they can start memorizing it. So review and reinforcement. Why review and reinforcement we are talking over here? Because if you can start reviewing and reinforcing through positive reinforcement, then this boring flashcard can become very important to your child. Because positive reinforcement is very essential when you start using a flashcard. Now, these autistic children like clear communication. So to get clear communication, flashcard is very important. Why? Because all the details is written in it. And you can see the objects very clearly when you want to teach your child any particular object, whether it is daily object, whether it is any alphabet card, whether it is any object card, whatever be it. A flashcard can serve various purposes. Now, if you say about what are the problems that we have faced to start flashcards with Koirav, it was really a struggle. But yes, since we have gone through that struggle, he did not used to like it. He used to tear them off. He used to fold and keep them aside. But if you do that fight with him, that yes, you have to do it, and if you can introduce motivating games, introduce motivating small plays with it, and if you just give them to him, then after that, by giving the flashcards to him for a while, he used to do whatever he wants to do it. And the flashcards come in waterproof, so if you give them to your kids, it will not be an issue. So by giving the flashcards to him, we have seen that so slowly and steadily he has taken them. It took about 3 to 4 months to get associated with it so that he can start loving the flashcards. Now once he got associated with it, then this is the journey that we are going with the flashcards, and we are really benefited through it. Now, if you all want to know exactly what are the improvements that we have seen in Koirav, then the improvements are like, object identification, eye-to-eye contact has improved, his vocabulary has improved, he has started memorizing things, he can do categorization of fruits, vegetables, etc. And he can understand all the actions, activities, he can understand what to do when, he can, we can do memory game plays with him, he can do ascending, descending, he can match objects very easily. So various type of benefits are there that we have got through flashcards. If you all want to know about details of how we are teaching Koirav, how we are training Koirav related to various flashcards, then please stay tuned and subscribe our channel, because in the next video you can see exactly what we are doing with Koirav and till now what we have done, so that we can use each flashcard in various ways. Through that you can understand that how much improvement we have gotten Koirav. It's a hell and heaven difference that we have seen after we have introduced flashcard, and now we are seeing even more developments in Koirav since we are using flashcards. So flashcard is a very important study material. Also, please subscribe our channel so that you can keep getting information related to autism and ADHD.